turn our attention away from the equity markets. Manisha Gupta joins us to tell us what's going on in the commodity space. Morning, Manisha.
Morning, Nigel. Thank you for that. Well, I'm looking at metals, which are awaiting more stimulus coming in from China. Until now, we've seen liquidity injections going in. We also have seen China cut medium and short-term lending rates. But the street is anticipating for something more. And the expectation is that by next week, you could be looking at key loan prime rates also being cut there. And that is where the street is taking a lot of support from. Support also comes in from the fact that the dollar index has continued to decline. We did see it slide below 102 as well. But dollar index has declined by 1.3% in this week until now. It's trading at a 5-week lows, and that clearly has been supportive. Is the reason you are looking at steel and the iron ore prices trading at around 7-week highs. It has been a good week in the last fortnight for many of these ferrous metals there. The non-ferrous metals, the base metals, that is, also have seen good support. I want to start with zinc because that clearly has been an underperformer, but we are trading at a 1-month highs onto this one as well, almost at $2,480 a ton. You know, we did see a 2-year low of $2,200 as well in the last week of May. But from those kind of levels, it has been quite a strong jump coming in for the zinc prices. What also is supportive is the fact that the Swedish miner Boliden has halted mining in Ireland due to financial crisis. Sustainable financial crisis is what they call it, and is the reason you're looking at supplies declining from there on. The markets also are looking at the S&P Global Refined Zinc report, which suggests that you're looking at 1.4% in sense of demand growth, and production is going to increase only by 1.9%. Remember, zinc inventories are the lowest in almost 80 years, and that is where you are seeing finally some fundamental support coming in from. Copper should be on your screens as well because we're trading at a 1-month highs onto this one. From nearly a 695 low, we're trading at 735 on MCX as well. So it has been a smart rebound in the last 15 or 20 days onto copper here. It's headed for a best weekly gain, by the way, in last 3 months. We've seen strong gains coming on the back of Chile statements as well, which has reiterated that they're looking at lower production this year. Last year was nearly 10% contraction in mining, and this year they're expecting mining to decline by nearly 7%. On a weekly basis, we've seen copper prices gain up by almost 3%. It's more than 3% of gain coming in for zinc. Iron ore prices up by nearly 4%. Steel prices have gained up more than 2% as well. Nickel clearly an outperformer with 9% of gains there. And even as aluminum prices are trading nearly a percentage point on the higher side today, on a weekly basis, we're trading quite flat on this. All eyes on what China would really do going forward.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. All eyes on what China will do, and as a result of which a big move is what we've seen over the last 1 week in a couple of these base metal prices. Nickel really outperforming. But